Hey, I'm Alex, and recently I had to replace my floater because, as you can see, yeah, this is in such a bad shape. So I had to replace the floater for, give me a second, that's it, the floater for the chlorine, and I had to replace it with this one, which is, look at the design of this. Isn't it really cute? That's really, really nice. So we were looking for something like a frog or a duck or one of those like big birds that you can put on your pool, but the frog was the one that we really liked the most. So the most important thing about this one is it actually can fit up to 3 of the chlorine discs. So that's pretty nice. We only use 2 because our pool is not super big, but know that you can actually use 3 of them. So let me show you. I'm gonna actually put my gloves right now. So as you can see, it's pretty big, so it can fit 3 of them. I'm gonna put just 2, 1, 2, and that's it. And on this side, you can actually rotate it to fit how much you wanna have of the chlorine on your pool. So now it's closed, but in this place it's open. And you can set it on half if you want, or just the full of it. So I'm gonna put it in all full holes right here. And then you screw it back on the frog, just like that. Look at this little fella right here. Isn't it super cute? And then you have this to put some kind of a cord if you want, so it's not just floating around the whole pool and just like a tiny piece of it. So let's put it in the pool right now. So I'm gonna drop this guy right here. And that's it. We are ready to go. That's super cute. I love that one so much. Let's take a close look. And that's it. Here it is, floating, the little frog. It's super cute. We like it so much. So I hope I help you with this review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.